Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Today we learn fish drawing. At first, we tried to draw a curve. This is the body part of fish. And we draw fish tail. Next we draw a line middle to it. And draw some fish fins. Fish are underwater animals that live in water. They breathe using gills, not lungs. Fish have fins that help them swim. Many different kinds of fish live in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Fish can be big or small, like whales or clownfish. Some fish are colorful and have scales. Fish eat small plants and animals or other fish. Fish lay eggs in the water. Yellow color. Fish can be found in warm and cold water. Fish are important for our food and the ecosystem. Green color. Some fish, like sharks, have teeth. Fish can swim very fast. A school of fish is a group of fish swimming together. Blue color. Some fish are poisonous and should not be eaten. Humans have caught and eaten fish for thousands of years. Fish are an important part of the ocean and the food chain. Many fish have special senses like taste and smell. Red color. Fish can live for many years, some even hundreds. There are many different species of fish in the world. Fish are fascinating animals that live in many different environments. Purple color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Pink color. Green color. Purple color. Blue color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.